Hey you guys, so I just got a makeup brush cleaner. It's one of those electric ones. This is the box it comes in. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. So I'm so excited about this because I love this makeup brush cleaner. It's so easy to use, and the biggest advantage of this is it takes out the drying time for your brushes. So normally with like most brush cleaner, you clean them and then you have to wait like 24 hours before you can use them. You have to like set them out to dry. Well, with this, it takes 10 seconds to dry. So it's super, super easy to do. So here's everything it comes with. It comes with the bowl, and it comes with this base with 8 collars. So they say these 8 collars will fit 95% of all brushes out there. And then it comes with this spindle connector thing that you connect this, this is like the electric unit part to the collar to the brush. So here we go. So here's the bowl. And I'm gonna move my camera down in just a second so you guys can see it. I'm gonna clean my foundation brush. So first we're gonna put in some makeup brush cleaner. So they say you can use any antibacterial liquid soap, but for purposes of this video and just to show you guys what I use the Senegence brush cleaner because I know this is safe on my brushes. So I'm gonna open this and just pour a little bit. And then we want to fill the bowl half the height of the bristles. So about that much. So I'm just gonna pour the rest with just some warm water. So I'm gonna go grab some water, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my bowl filled with the water. So next I'm gonna pick a collar that fits the brush. So I want it to be pretty tight, not too loose. So I'm gonna grab this one and then push my brush into it. And then I'm gonna take the spindle and put it on the end. And then I'm gonna connect it to the electric part that cleans the brush, snap it in, and then now I'm gonna move my camera down so you guys can see the cleaner in action. Okay, so here's my bowl. Okay, so first I'm gonna tell you guys what we're gonna do and then I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna dip the brush in the water, the bristles, only the bristles, we don't wanna get this metal part, into the water for 5 seconds, just kind of to get them wet and loosen the bristles up. And then after 5 seconds of doing that, I'm gonna turn it on and for 10 seconds, put it under the water and let it clean the brush. And then for 10 more seconds, I'm gonna lift it up. It's still gonna be in the bowl, but it's gonna be above the water and it's gonna dry. So it's gonna spin dry. So it takes 10 seconds to do the spin dry. You don't wanna go over the 10 seconds because it can ruin and damage the bristles, but if it's not all dry the first time, you can redo it. They just say just to do 10 seconds at each time. So usually mine's dry in 10 seconds. I don't have to re-dip, but just in case. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna dip it for 5. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on and let it clean for 10, keeping it under the water. And then I'm gonna dry now for 10 more. So here I am drying for 10 seconds, tops. It's out of the water. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it off. And then it is clean. So mine's pretty dry. So I'm not gonna re-dip it to dry it for 10 more. But yeah, see how easy that is? So fast, so easy, so convenient. Anybody can do that. It makes cleaning brushes fun that you actually wanna clean them. Because before this, I was going like, oh gosh, I don't even wanna admit it. Probably a year or so without cleaning my brushes. But yeah, this just makes it so easy and fun to do. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys wanted to try this out and purchase it for yourself, I bought it on Amazon. So I'll drop a link in this post to Amazon so you guys can check that out. And if you guys have used it before and have any comments, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys are having a great day and I will talk to you later. Bye.